Across the 5 boroughs, we are seeing an increase of monkeypox cases. According to the city, over 800 people have tested positive for the orthopox virus here in the city, which is presumed to be monkeypox. Now, there are several events happening today and tonight, all into the weekend, to spread awareness. News 12's Mary Lynn Buckley joining us right now with the very latest on the efforts across the city. Mary Lynn.
Kurt, Amanda, to date today, the city reported that 839 people have tested positive for monkeypox, also known as the orthopox virus. And with cases on the rise here in the city, elected officials, many of them hosting events to both educate and inform people about what monkeypox is, what are the risks, and how can you protect yourself. Many elected officials also speaking up, including Queens Council member Lynn Schulman and New York State Senator Kirsten Gillibrand. Gillibrand actually writing a letter to both the HHS and the CDC, calling on them to increase access to the monkeypox vaccine. Writing in part, "We implore you to work with urgency to take the necessary action to respond to this public health concern and ensure adequate doses and equitable distribution of the vaccine in the United States." Lynn Schulman also speaking out.
The federal government was asleep at the wheel when monkeypox came up. And so we're scrambling now because we don't have enough vaccines, and it's a problem.
I want to share the information with you about monkeypox. Please share it.
And here in the city, council member Mercedes Narcisse wanted to get out and educate people about monkeypox. She did so by handing out flyers from the city with some information. Some of that information included what monkeypox is, how it's spread. One of the ways it's spread is through direct contact of a rash or sores of someone that actually has the virus. It also can be spread through contact with clothing, bedding, and sexual contact. A total number of 839 people throughout the city have tested positive as of today, which is why Councilmember Narcisse wanted to get the word out ahead of this weekend.
If you're not educated, you don't have the knowledge, you cannot make the right decision. So we make mistakes. We have to learn from our mistake. We made mistake with COVID. A lot of people were taking it lightly, and it really, we lost so many lives. And this is different, actually. It's not as deadly, I would say, as COVID. That's what we know. It's a good thing, but yet we don't want people to be affected to end up in a hospital.
City data shows that cases are spiking mainly in men in the LGBTQ plus community. However, anyone can get it. So far, looking at the numbers, the borough with the most amount of cases is Manhattan, followed by Brooklyn, the Bronx, Queens, and Staten Island. Reporting from Canarsie, I'm Mary Lynn Buckley, News 12.